Ia hāna koe?
Just talking to my friends.
Oh, yes. And who's on planet Julia today?
Well, there's Dee and Sam from Kura, and then a new girl called Kaha.
Oh, and where'd you meet her?
Online.
What, you haven't met her in real life?
No.
But your friends have?
No.
Well, where does she live?
Tāmaki Makoto.
Tāmaki Makoto is a very big place. Can you be a bit more specific?
Well, she told me that
Wait, are you even sure that this kahu is a girl?
Well, she told me...
I'm a little bit worried about you chatting to someone online that you've never even met before. Have they been asking you any personal questions like, where's your whare or what's your kura?
Sure, she knows everything about me.
What were you thinking? This could be some weirdo who's trying to groom you. Next will be getting you to take rude photos and blackmailing you.
Ew.
No, that is it. You are not talking to this person again until we've met them in real life.
Mom.
And actually, we made a deal ages ago. No devices in the bedroom.
Mom. I was kidding. Of course I didn't tell them. Duh. I know it could be a creepy old dude pretending to be a girl. We already learnt about this at school.
It is exhausting being your mother.